Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw money from Hugosway. So all you have to do is log into your Hugosway account. Click on withdraw. Under the withdraw, select Bitcoin. Input the withdrawal amount and click request withdrawal. You will also need to confirm it on another screen. Then click Send Bitcoin. The request will be sent to the payment team and it will appear in the withdrawal history. When approved, it will be reflected in the status section. So, if you earlier deposited your capital via Pay Redeem e-cards, then you can withdraw money back to Pay Redeem via Pay Redeem's payout e-cards. So first, log into your Pay Redeem account. Click on Withdraw and select Pay Redeem under Withdrawal Type. Select the Hugosway wallet, amount and click Request Withdrawal. A screen opens and prompts you to enter your Pay Redeem account's email address and submit. When approved, you can go over to Pay Redeem's website and follow the steps below. Log into your Pay Redeem account. Click on the Payments menu. You must have verified your Pay Redeem account by uploading a valid government-issued ID card and a proof of residence document before you can cash out a Pay Redeem payment. Select the e-card and choose a payment method. You may add a new bank account. Check to ensure that every detail is correct and click on Cash Out. Now, you should receive the funds within 2 to 5 days. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!